Hello friend, welcome to yet another Excel tips and tricks for busy professional. In this video, I will show you how to use the Quartile function in Excel, and the example I want to give you is the data which is been shown over here. So let's say I have a quality score here for the list of people. So we need to first define the quartile for each of this, like Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4, how we need to define this, and then we can come up to this, like if that particular person is scoring in 93 or 90s or 80s or 100, so what would be the quartile for them. So this is already I've created, so let me remove it and we will work together and find out how we are going to do this. So let's start with the formula. This is the formula. I've already used this and I'll show you how these numbers came over here in this particular cell. So let me start with, say for example, I want to know what is the quartile for 1. So we'll start with equal to, then I'll use this quartile inclusive, and first thing it's asking me about the array. So I'll select this array, the entire things. It will automatically omit or exclude the header over here. So what I'll do, I'll say comma, and then what is my Q1 would be, like this is my minimum. So I'll say 0 and then I close this. So if you see, this is my 93 is my Q1. So what I will do, I need to know what would be my Q2, Q3 and Q4. So what I'll do, I'll copy this, I'll paste it in front of Q2 and I'll move it over here, and I remove this 0 and I want my first, like 1 over here, and then enter. So this would be my quartile 2. Similar, I will control D and I'll put it over here as Q2. That is my second in fact my third quartile. Let me say this, okay, and say enter. That would be my things, and the final one would be my maximum. What is the maximum over here? So either way I can do it. I can take it max and I can use it over here and I say enter. So that is my maximum, or I can use the quartile value again. Let me do this, control D, and I'll make this time as Q4. That is my maximum. That is my maximum value. So this is my Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Now I want, if a person is having, like say for example Kapil Chauhan, his score is 98.59, under what quartile he falls in. So I need to put a formula over here to get this done as Q1, Q2 and Q4, who all are at what number. So what I'll do, I'll use again the formula equal to, now I'm using Xlookup. So if you want to know what exactly Xlookup does, there are a lot of videos, I mean couple of videos I have made on Xlookup with a lot of examples. You can watch that video as well, how the Xlookup work. Okay, as of now I will not get into the depth of this Xlookup functions as of now. I will simply use how I'm going to use this grade or quartile over here. So what I'm looking for here is, let me get into this. So this is my score, that is D2, because the D2 score is there, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to match with this one. So I will fix this one by pressing F4, comma, what I want this. I will again press F4 to fix this, comma. Now this is highlighted that if it's not found, then what? I will X out this much. Now it is saying what exactly would be the match. So match, I want exact match or next larger item. So I will place this one and then I close this. That's it. And if you drag it down, you will be able to see the quartiles who are on at what quartiles right now. So for example, if I want to change this from 100% to say 92, then it, let's see, it's right now it is Q4. Once I say enter, it will come to Q1. What is happening over here? We have quartile like 25% each. There is a gap. Like if I say it is 100 is quartile 4, then those who are in between 98.1 and 100 will fall under 90 Q3, and those who are like Q4, they will fall under Q4. 100% Q4. So for example, if nobody will going to reach 101, right? So that if I say this, let me change it to this 101. See, those who are like 101, this is the maximum. Okay, this will become a maximum. So if I say 104, that will be the maximum over here. And if I say change it to 101, this must be a Q4 only. So this is how it will work. And if you want to change this to say for example 97 and I enter it, you see 97, which is falling under where? In between 98 and 96, this will fall under Q3. So it will go reverse order this way, not this way. So whatever information is this in between this 100 and 98 will cover Q4, and 98 to 96 it will come to 3, and 96 to 92 Q2, and 92 and below will be Q1. So for example, if I say 90, this will become 90. Okay, see, this will 90 and it will become 92. For example, if I say 89, then it will become 89. Say for example, let me change this to 89, then my list is 89. So based on this, all this information will be changed. So it will be dynamic based on the data which we have, like a set of people. For example, I have taken this much of like 22 count only over here, if you see, but there might be like 100 200 user or name over here, and 100 and 200 scores over there. Based on their score, we will need to change it into four uh, quartile, like 25% each differences. So this is how it will be calculated. So that is how it will be calculated as a quartile base. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow and subscribe, and when you click the bell icon, so you will be able to notify whenever I post any videos related to Excel tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.